In this video, you'll learn how to create a crypto box on Binance. This guide will walk you through the entire process from accessing the feature to sharing your crypto box with recipients. Start by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the pay or rewards section within the app interface. In this section, you will find various tools available for use, including the crypto box feature. Ensure that your account meets the eligibility requirements to create a crypto box, as some regions may have restrictions. It is also important to verify that you have a sufficient balance in your account to proceed. After confirming your eligibility and balance, you will enter the crypto box creation page. Here, you will first need to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to distribute through your crypto box. Following that, input the total amount of cryptocurrency you want to allocate. You will also have the option to choose the distribution type. This can be either equal distribution among recipients or random allocation. Next, determine the number of recipients who will receive the crypto box. It is crucial to carefully review the rules and the validity period associated with your crypto box to avoid any misunderstandings. Additionally, be mindful not to set unrealistic amounts that could lead to issues during distribution. Once you have configured all the details for your crypto box, the next step is to confirm the information before finalizing its creation. If prompted, complete any necessary security verification to ensure the safety of your transaction. After successfully passing any security checks, you can proceed to generate the crypto box. This action will create your crypto box based on the specifications you have provided. After the crypto box has been created, you will receive a link or code that you can share with your recipients. This link is essential for them to access the crypto box you have set up. Additionally, it is advisable to monitor the redemption status of the crypto box if that feature is available. Keeping track of any unused balances within the box is also important to understand how much has been claimed or remains. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.